How would you love having a totally unblocked greenery view over rolling hills of nature reserve and reservoir?
This beautiful view can be yours to admire every day if you own this exquisite home at Eco Sanctuary.
This is a 99 years leasehold condominium in Chestnut Avenue, situated at the very edge of the nature reserve. No other developments can come up around it, assuring you the permanency of its commanding presence in the area.
For daily escapades from the hustle and bustle of stressful urban life, this beautiful 668 square feet, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathroom apartment with a zen-like calmness is perfect as your private home sanctuary.
There's much to love in this serene home. The balcony with folding doors, fully open, allows refreshingly cool breeze to flow in gently. Excellent finishes such as marble flooring in the living room gives the home a luxe touch.
Open concept kitchen comes with designer fittings such as Bosch electric hood, stove and oven. Ideal for inviting friends over for meals while you show off your fine culinary skills.
High 3.3 meter ceiling give ample headspace in the 2 bedrooms while opening up possibilities of putting in loft beds or furniture decks to further expand the space. Gorgeous timber flooring plus the marble finishes with designer bathroom fittings in the master bedroom ensuite are designed for you to luxuriate in.
The environment here is one of the most tranquil in the area. Large landscaping with spaced out split level facilities.
There's even a sky terrace on the 14th floor with viewing decks if you need a quiet place to meditate.
You'll be glad to know that it is in close proximity to convenience like the Rail Mall, QB2, Helium Mall and Bukit Panjang Plaza, where there is a plethora of retail, F&B and service offerings. There are multiple supermarkets in the area and 2 of which operates 24 hours, giving you the utmost convenience. As for schools, we are within walking distance to the German European School of Singapore, CHIJ and Bukit Panjang Primary School. If you love this peaceful home, call us for an exclusive viewing. I am Ming Hui
And I'm Ron.
and we are from Homes BB.